Hallo, willkommen zurück auf diesem Kanal und heute lernen wir Begrüßungen in Deutsch. You are welcome, and those who are joining us for the first time, please shall we learn the German language with ease. Of course, with me, teacher Benny. Subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so greetings in German, we call them Begrüßungen. Can you repeat that? Begrü. So, umlaut read it as you. Okay, so Begrüßungen in Deutsch. So you have E and U. E and U carries that Oi sound in the German language. So you say Begrüßungen in Deutsch. I told you last time that the beta sign represents double S. That's why here we say Sungen. Okay, so Begrüßungen in Deutsch. Is that okay? So those are greetings in German. What you have to know, when you are in the German language, there is what we call the formal way and informal way of greeting people. Is that okay? Let's start with the formal way. The formal way, I mean how you can greet people in executive way. The official way. We have Guten Morgen. Okay? Can you repeat that? Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. We have Guten. Guten comes from the word gut. And yesterday we saw gut means good. Okay? In English, this one means good. So we shall look at why it changes to this because of verb conjugation. Is that okay? Okay, let's proceed. If you are greeting someone morning or good morning, you are going to say Guten Morgen. G-E, Morgen. Is that okay? Guten Morgen. Okay, let's practice to say that. You say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Is that okay? So, this is good morning. Guten Tag. Can you repeat that? Guten Tag. Guten Tag. This is good afternoon. Okay? So, Guten Tag is good afternoon. Is that okay? We have Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend is good evening. Good evening. Is that okay? So, Gute Nacht. Can you repeat that? Gute Nacht. Excellent. Gute Nacht is good night. Is that okay? So these are some of the formal ways of how you can greet someone. One more time. Guten Morgen. Excellent. Guten Tag. Guten Abend. Gute Nacht. Repeat that. Gute Nacht. Excellent. So those are some of the formal ways of how you can greet someone. We also have informal ways. You can say moin. Moin. Moin can mean morning or can mean hello or hi. So moin. Moin to mean Guten Morgen, but this is informal way. Is that okay? We have Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott. Is that okay? Grüß Gott. Is that okay? So you can say hello. Hello. We looked at this in the previous video. Hello. Hi. Okay? So these are some of the ways of how you can greet someone in the German language. Hope you've learned something today. So you can practice out with a friend such that you know how you can greet someone in the German language. Yes, you can practice with someone such that you know how you can greet someone in the German language. Okay, cheers. Bye-bye.